singing all the day. My best friends are always with me.
And today we are going to be playing Animal Hospital Anomalies. So this game has been really popular. Normally I play with my cousins, but they are not around, so I'm playing with random people. So I'm going to be joining this girl because she seems alone. Yeah. I know I could have played alone, but what do you feel like? We have a few seconds left until we go to the game. Da-da-da-dum. So, we're going. So, basically, this game is like a hospital game and Scary Shawarma at the same time. Because Scary Shawarma is also has anomalies. So, okay. So let's see. Okay. So she has. Okay. So let me just take a. Okay. Okay. Let me just take a picture of you. You look fine. You look fine. Room 1. So room 1 is right here. He's not closing the door. While they are doing their work, I'm just going to go like. Okay. I need to take a picture of you. Let me inspect you. Okay, you look good. Let me just register you. You don't look like any anomaly. So, okay. So he will be in room 2. Yeah, those people, those random girls that are like there. I'm just going to be the one to check in and everything. Oh, coffee break in 60 something seconds. Oh, treat remaining patient. This game is actually pretty easy, but you guys don't want to see what will happen in the The doctor is arriving, so I have to act good. Everybody knows that if you have watched other YouTubers like Lana's Life or Cat, you know that this is the doctor, and his name is Dr. Harlow. See? So if you don't know what the shadows are for, it's for when you have an anomaly. So shift 1 was very good. Shift 1 was very good, so let's continue. Now is shift 2. So let's get a coffee. Okay, hey. These people are not allowing me to do anything. Room 1. So I'm going to room 1 and I'll wait. They said don't look up. They said don't look up for some reason. So I will not look up because something bad might happen. So reading the medkit. I open these drawers. No. So we have to look for medkit and herbs. This is the medkit. And where's the herbs? Did you guys see that? I did looked up a bit and I saw an eye. So can we go? So I'll just wait here, close the door and open it. That's strange. Don't give me the creeps. There you go. Feel better soon. Yeah, whatever. Rat you! Rat you! I thought rat you comes at shift 5 or something. What is rat you doing here? What is rat you doing here? Rat you, what are you doing here? Rat you! Rat you, what are you doing here? I guess he needs DNA. Yes, he needs a DNA test. But anyway, Rocky, why are you doing? I'm actually very shocked because for other YouTubers, they said that Rocky normally comes at shift 5 or something. So we need cough syrup. So that means like Rocky must have a cough or something. You're recovering. Doctor's arriving, so I have to be quick. Let me just continue drinking my coffee. Okay. Okay. But wait, I'm the only one in the game. The cinnamon city. Okay. He's okay. Now register. Visitor has faded. MG. Oh, that was a close one. So, phew. I'm not sure if I will be able to complete this because it has been 11 minutes. So let's at least stay until shift 4. Yeah. Yeah, normally. Oh. Okay. Okay. You don't look you don't look like an anomaly. So, you guys, because it has been 13 minutes, we will not be able to finish the game. But don't worry, I'll do a part 2 in a few days. Bye, guys. Bye.